Hi guys.
Hello.
So we have Runav. We have Laksh. Jia is still not here, as you can see, because she's very late.
Car kids nowadays.
She has to do a dare.
Oh, damn.
Who's your best friend?
Sheena.
Call right now
Yo!
and tell her.
No, that.
What?
That I hate you.
Oh my god.
Hello.
So we have some school-related memes planned for you
जूस
guys.
पिला दो.
मौसमी का जूस चाहिए का?
What this podcast has come to.
आई होप सब कुछ कंट्रोल में है रॉय.
सर हम इस वक्त भारत के सबसे सुरक्षित जगह पर खड़े हैं.
Backbencher. What do you think about this? Is this the truth?
She has gone to principal 5 times.
Yeah, because I had a fight. She pushed me and I fell down and she was like, "Ha, loser." And I just
That is
punched her
nasty.
on her face so badly. She had like purple thing.
Wow, you punched her. What kind of people do you hate in the class? In your class?
Chapli.
Chapli. Three, two, one, let's go. हेलो वेलकम बैक टू द पॉडकास्ट. आज मैं हूँ बिना किसी गेस्ट के हमारे खुद के फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ. और हमारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स कोई बड़े नहीं है. बड़े यार बोरिंग.
बड़े अच्छे नहीं लगते.
हमें इस बार ऐसे गेस्ट मिले हैं जो यहाँ पे पहले आ चुके हैं.
बिना किसी गेस्ट के.
So that's why we have invited our 3 alumni because they have already been on the podcast. So let's welcome them one by one. Hi guys.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Fine.
Nice.
Yes.
Do you feel good?
Yes. Of course.
So we have Runav. We have Laksh. And we also have Jia.
Invisibility, Jia.
Jia is still not here, as you can see. And we thought we won't wait for her because she's very late.
Star kids nowadays, they are always late. They want to create a statement. They want to tell the world that, hey, I'm Jia. I want to be late. I need to be late.
You know?
Yeah.
So she'll come, she'll join in a while, but when she comes, you have to think of a punishment. तुम्हारे पास कोई है punishment?
Definitely I have.
Which one?
Walk across here 50 times but doing the chicken action.
That is brutal. क्या है भाई chicken action क्या होता है?
You just you do like that.
Okay, we can do that. I think let's just suppose and
After the podcast, Sid Bhaiya is khatam
हाँ.
by Jia.
Ah, yes, definitely.
No, मैंने थोड़ी कुछ गलती किया है. गलती किसका है बताओ? लेट कौन आया है? लेट कौन आया है? लेट में थोड़ी आया हूँ. मैं टाइम पे आया हूँ यार. मैं सबसे पहले आके बैठा हूँ 11
Then that's
बजे.
soft toy.
Okay, but Jian is there. Jian is already there, so we'll talk to her. So this segment is called as #funchayat.
Panchayat.
Funchayat, जैसे पंचायत होती है.
हाँ.
Funchayat because we have fun here. So I'm very excited. This segment is very new, very fresh. हर बार गेस्ट की जरूरत थोड़ी है यार. हम भी मचा सकते हैं यार.
Yeah.
है ना? मचा सकते हैं ना. वहाँ पे बोलो मचा सकते हैं हम.
बचा सकते हैं हम.
Great.
#Panchayat.
#पंचायत. Let's go. Look who's here. Look who's so early today. हैं?
Earliest person
आप
in
थोड़ा
the
जल्दी नहीं आ गए जिया जी? बहुत ट्रैफिक था. बैठ जाइए. लास्ट टाइम भी बहुत अच्छे रीजंस थे. झील वाले पॉडकास्ट में भी लेट आई थी ना. हैं? ए दैट इज जियान. The person you're holding. That is your replacement. Why are you so late?
पूरा wrong चला गया. He just went straight up. So he told me that take another rickshaw. So we got up and took another rickshaw.
Who did you come with? Mom, dad?
Mom.
ये मॉम के बहाने. ये मॉम ने सजेस्ट किया है. दिस इज अ नाइस आइडिया ना. पूरा एकदम आते वक्त पूरा प्रैक्टिस किया है.
अरे नहीं ये बोलना है.
ये बोलना है
नहीं
900
बोलना है.
मीटर्स 20 मीटर्स 20 ही बोलना. 30 मत बोलना वरना थोड़ा ये रहेगा है ना. अनरियलिस्टिक लगेगा. You have a punishment. The punishment is to stand. क्या?
No.
Stand
No, no,
on
no, no,
toes.
no, no, no.
हाँ, let her stand on toes.
Okay,
She's
if not that, she has to do a dare.
Oh, damn.
STD, simple. There should be good.
Who's your best friend?
Sheena.
Sheena.
Sheena Shah.
You have to call Sheena.
Okay.
Call right now.
Yo!
She's carrying her phone, na?
Ah.
Call Sheena
Wait.
and tell her.
I'm not your bestie.
Tell her.
No, no,
names.
not that.
What should we tell?
That I hate you.
Oh my god.
That is the best.
Okay.
Hello. I hate you so much, you know. You're the worst friend. I hate you so much, you're the worst friend.
अच्छा
Yes.
डेर मर्યું છે યાર જીયા
Actually, at the podcast ma show. That's why they gave me a dare. I was late now. That's
Yeah.
it. चल
She's-
ठीक है પછી कॉल करूँ मળી आ
इसके लिए तुम्हारी फ्रेंड भी तुम्हारे जैसी है, लेट ही कॉल उठा.
बाय
हाँ, so this is Runav and this is Laksh.
What?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, I know him.
You know him?
Huh.
How do you know him?
We have done many shoots together. Hamleys and First Cry we did recently.
You did First Cry together.
Recently.
Acha, Laksh, by the way, is an incredibly smart kid, and he also does theater shows, no?
हाँ, मराठी थिएटर शो.
Marathi theater shows. So can you brief us with one of the lines or your favorite dialogues?
My favorite dialogue is like there was one role of mine of Yash being a rude boy. So my mother actually tells me that I'm the opposite of that.
Okay, of course you are opposite of that because you're the sweetest kid I've seen.
So my
Sweetest and
first
smartest.
पे
my first dialogue was नाही 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 मी शाळेत जाणार नाही.
This was the dialogue.
नहीं I'll not go to school.
Oh, you understood
Yeah.
Marathi?
Wow, I
Very
understand
nice.
Marathi.
Acha, Jia will now say one of the dialogues from her movies. Which will be? Because she was silent, no? She was mute. For
Yeah.
She played. She was in Kumkum Bhagya, no?
Yeah. नहीं कसौटी
Kasauti Zindagi
जिंदगी
में. Kasauti Zindagi में she played the role of
Cookie.
girl who is auditory impaired. She cannot speak.
Oh.
Audio impaired. So she hustled a lot in that
Yeah.
role.
And I only said one dialogue which was Papa.
Oh. और आई है मॉम के साथ.
It is like boys bond with their mothers and
मम्मी
girls
के
bond
मगर
with fathers.
मम्मी के मगरगच.
है? This is your dialogue?
No.
You know Gajni?
No.
You don't know
think I've
Gajni?
heard.
No.
What are you saying?
I've heard his name, but
Gajni is one of the most profound movies by Amir Khan. Amir Khan तो पता है ना?
हाँ.
Amir Khan played a role of this guy. पहले ही वो प्यार में पड़ता है किसी के, उसका नाम कल्पना होता है. तो कल्पना को कोई जो विलन होता है वो आता है और कल्पना को मार देता है. कल्पना इज डेड. एंड जो ये होता है आमिर खान होता है, सचिन होता है, उसके सर पे वो विलन रॉड मार देता है. रॉड मारने के बाद उसकी मेमोरी चली जाती है. मेमोरी चल जाने के बाद वो क्या करता है, जब वो उठता है देन जो वो उठता है एकदम ऐसा, उसका पूरा श्रेडेड बॉडी है भाई. ही इज ऑल श्रेडेड, ही हैज 6 पैक्स, 8 abs, you know, 8 abs, and out of nowhere he starts recalling small things from the past कि क्या हुआ था. Then what he does to remember all of this, he starts putting all of those sentences on his tattoos as a form of tattoos. तो कल्पना was killed. यहाँ पे किसी का एड्रेस लिखा है, यहाँ पे कुछ लिखा है इसका
he would
acquaintance.
just carry a notebook and write it.
अरे बट स्टिल ही कांट रिमेम्बर तो कि एक नोटबुक में लिखा है.
That's why we should make a note of everything. You know what? Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan and Amir Khan. They three are a whole group. All bonding.
You know that?
हाँ, I know that, of course.
How?
Khan ना.
Khan.
ऐसा थोड़ी होता है यार. वो तो
खान
बहुत
race
झगड़ा करते थे यार बीच में.
हाँ.
You know उन लोग के बीच में राइवलरी था. खान ब्रदर्स नहीं थे वो पहले. तो क्या होता था, बाबा सिद्दीकी करके बहुत फेमस है.
I know, yeah.
I don't know.
Lawrence Bishnoi also know.
तो बाबा सिद्दीकी इज अ वेरी फेमस पॉलिटिशियन जो एक इफ्तार पार्टी करके रखता था. सो इफ्तार पार्टी इज बेसिकली ईद के टाइम में एक डिनर होता है फैंसी डिनर जहाँ पे सारे एक्टर्स लोग आते हैं.
तो
तो बस उसी इवेंट्स में ये सारे खान्स एक साथ आते थे. उसके अलावा कभी मिलते नहीं थे. इसके लिए वहाँ पे उसको एक मीटअप बोला जाता था, खान मीटअप.
Meetup?
हाँ.
अच्छा हाँ. I thought this meetup.
खाना मीटअप.
The eating meet.
ईटिंग
खाना
मीटअप क्या होता
मीटअप
है?
खाना.
अरे meat.
ओ यार.
That meat.
You're a vegetarian, no?
I am a non-vegetarian, but on religious days I eat veg.
So what is your perspective on people who are vegan?
Vegan, I think vegan is bad for calcium because you have low properties. Already you are veg and you don't have any calcium or protein to eat, not so varieties. So you should have milk, cheese, butter. Now you are vegan. You can't eat that.
Yeah.
Cannot get nutrition.
What about you, Jia?
After
What do you think?
85,
हाँ.
eat that all calcium loss.
Yeah. What do you think about vegans?
Vegans, I'm to non-vegetarian. I can to eat anything I want to. But sometimes I feel like I went to a restaurant
Hmm.
and I meet a vegan person.
Hmm.
And what do they eat there?
Hmm.
I can to order anything I want.
Hmm.
Chicken I can order, rice I can order,
Right.
I can even order cheese. But they don't even eat that, right?
Yeah.
So what do they eat the whole day? I'm really confused.
Gluten-free chicken. Do you think it's unholy to eat chicken or non-vegetarian food?
I think, according to some people, according to their religion, beef is unholy. Yeah, beef
is
nobody
Yes.
should eat who are following Hindu religion because cow is a holy animal.
We tell cow
We-
is a mother.
We call her a mother only
Same.
in
Yeah.
Hindu dharma.
Yeah.
So actually, people according to their religion, they should not eat. But people who I guess don't follow things, they are probably atheists or
Yeah.
something like that. They can eat if they want to, and it's based upon people if they want to eat it or not.
So he said in one of the podcasts that I have chosen my family, not the other way.
वो हमारे पास होते तो हम अंबानी के फैमिली में born होते.
But that's a good one. Okay, that's a good one. But what do you think about that? Like, do we choose our families or the families choose us?
I think God chooses our
Yeah,
family.
God chooses the family.
Acha.
God
we
is like,
choose we choose our family. My mother and my grandmother, everybody has been telling me that we choose our family. So like, just imagine you are one small ball of silver or something like that twinkling in the sky. Okay, after that you it's time that God says to you, it's time for you to take birth. So then you first check who you want it to be in your family, and then you tell to God that I want to be born in this family, and then you get born.
oh, is that?
Yeah,
That's a
Yaar, why did I
Einstein plus
not
plus
choose
IQ.
Ambani ka family?
who would have thought that we choose everything? Otherwise मैं कुछ अच्छा choose कर लेता भाई.
Same here.
But I did not choose Ambani's family because this family, I think,
This family
Better.
has love,
Yeah.
better,
caring.
and it is, my family is so caring. Like you
Okay,
can't
that's a
even
nice
imagine
question.
it.
What do you love about your family?
I love my family. About my family, it's that they're caring. They love me so much. They take care of me. They love me, and I say that I want this, and they don't. They say no because it's for my own goods.
Hmm.
So I like it that they care about me. If that's bad for me, then it's a no. If that's good for me, then it's a yes.
Beautiful. That's nice. Like, and they have taught you to be comfortable with listening to rejections.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's nice. What about you? What have you
I
learned?
think more helpful because not always you should be caring.
Hmm.
Sometimes there is some time where you should not be caring.
Okay.
Like I want this book, so if it is not for my age, you should be no. You said no, so it is not caring that time,
Hmm.
but it is for our good, so it will be caring.
Intention is to help. And that's why
Yes,
you have
yes.
to say no to things. What about you? What have you learnt?
I learned from my family that we should always keep all religions equal. That is the main thing. I don't know why people are constantly saying that Hindu, Muslim, Christianity, we are better, we are better. And now atheists have also joined in. We are better, we are better.
What is
Infinity
your
Gauntlet.
what is your perspective on Marvel nowadays?
Marvel. I don't
Marvel
like
has new adventures, new powers. उसमें तो after Shaktiman they have only bring the concept of
You know, Shaktiman is coming back.
Huh?
Yes.
When?
I don't know when, but he has come back and he has said that he will be relaunching Shaktiman.
Wow.
I don't know if he's going to be the hero. Is he going to be the hero? I don't know. But he's going to come back.
unlimited hits.
Unlimited. Like, and he said
Unlimited.
Ranveer Singh wanted the job of Shaktiman, the role of Shaktiman.
Yes.
And he was waiting for the real Shaktiman, I mean the main character who has played that role, in the waiting room, and he made him wait for about 5 hours. He made Ranveer Singh wait for 5 hours for that role, and he still didn't get it.
Oh.
That's harsh.
Yeah,
Has something like that happened to you guys?
never.
Yeah, sometimes when it was starting of acting, when I used to give auditions, I've given more than 2000 auditions. But in that,
Wow.
only if you give hundreds of auditions, only in one you will get selected.
That is the ratio.
So Shaktiman has done lots of hard work. That's why
Yeah, you
know
tell me.
what
तुम्हारे साथ
actually?
क्या हुआ है?
Shaktiman
साथ भी
बनने
ये
में
हुआ
भी
था।
hard work देना।
हार्डवर्क हर चीज में होता है यार, बताओ.
I gave an audition for some ad or something, and I gave like more than 1000 auditions, and उसमें से 100, let's just say 100 किया मैंने. उसमें सिर्फ एक ही select हुई मैं. और एक बार तो क्या हुआ, I just made so many auditions of only one ad, so many times.
Yes. There's a script change now.
हाँ,
Age
do
change,
this.
now gender change, ad change, director change.
Ad change.
You know what?
अच्छा, let's choose 5 characters, Marvel, DC, and 2 villains.
Yeah.
And what would be the name of that movie?
Batman, Superman, then Deadpool, Wolverine, Captain America.
Wow, that's a deadly combination. And
Yeah.
who will be the villain?
The villain would be Doomsday. That what was that guy's name?
Iron Man is now doing the
I
Doomsday.
know, yeah.
Robert Downey Jr.
I'm
I
so
forgot
excited
the
to
name
watch
of that
movie.
villain. And Kang.
Who's Kang?
He's one new villain in the Avengers series. Like they are totally now. They are saying they are launching 6 more Avengers movie.
Wow.
Multitasker.
And the fifth movie is about the villain named Kang, who is even more superior than Thanos.
Wow.
Otherwise, instead of Kang, you know who would I replace? Galactus.
ये कौन है भाई?
He is
मुझे
such
भी
a
नहीं पता।
powerful villain that he's the
अभी
most powerful.
मार्वल का डायरेक्टर चेंज करना पड़ेगा।
I've seen Cobra Kai.
Cobra Kai, you talked
Cobra
about it
Kai,
last time.
I like that so much. Like I just visited my brother's house and then he was watching that web series Cobra Kai. They have launched a new season 6, right?
Season 6, and they have launched actually new episodes.
But,
Yes,
but
that's what
Cobra
I
Kai
said.
आहे.
Cobra Kai, take पूर्ण group आहे. It is a whole
Group
of
आहे.
taekwondo masters.
Let's say it again. Do you think Thane is a part of Mumbai?
Yes.
I remember that. No, it is not.
You tell me.
What? Thane.
हाँ.
It is a part of.
It is a part
It
of
is.
Mumbai.
But Thane is not Mumbai.
It has a constituency of its own.
Then it's not.
It is a part of Mumbai.
It is a part
It
of.
is.
But उसमें मुंबई का पिन कोड लगता है कि थाने का? थाने का खुद का ये पिन कोड है. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Thane is a district, no?
Yeah.
तो कभी सोचा ही नहीं.
I thought Thane is in Mumbai.
Thane is not a Mumbai. Thane is a subset of Mumbai.
Oh my God.
Didn't know that.
It's been 5 years.
I wish. What is your perspective on politicians?
If you would be the Prime Minister of India, what would you change?
I would, first of all, I would like stop all the pollution. I would tell the whole world that whoever even does pollution na, they will be direct put in jail.
अंबानी की फैक्ट्री रोकता है, अंबानी तुझे लाठी मारे.
I will just stop him definitely, and I will also make a whole school that is 8 feet for all children,
Bhaiya will
all over
join
the
you.
world who are underprivileged.
Underprivileged बच्चों के लिए.
Nice.
And I will give my money to the children and tell them that if you will not spend it wisely, then see what I will do.
Only for one day.
आ
Only
गया
for one day.
politician. आ गया politician.
ड्रामा छोड़ दो.
तुम क्या करोगे? ये बनने के बाद, प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनने के बाद.
आर्मी को और बढ़ाऊंगा.
बढ़ाएगा? क्यों?
मतलब बढ़ाऊंगा मतलब if our army is in 4th position, I'll try to make it 1st or 2nd position. Then even our democracy should be good. So I'll try to do that. Then I think the bad things, the crimes happening in states, then I'll stop them with help of police or state governments. Then and make sure that Indian people should vote the right person, right politician, so that our country works good.
Beautiful. What about you?
Let's have some fun.
No, you tell me, what would you do?
पार्टी हो रही है. ये मेरा स्टूडियो है. ये
यहाँ पे
हमारे
हमारी
लोग हैं.
पार्टी हो रही है.
Yeah.
पार्टी हो रही है.
First I'll say let's have some fun India for just one day.
छुट्टी.
Let's.
Chutti. But
Children
what you guys
Independence
said,
Day.
both of you, was very, very good. Actually, you read my mind, you know.
One kind of aircraft that can reach multiple universes. It can go
You don't
out
think
of
people are
Milky
already
Way also.
trying?
Light की speed. Simple.
You have to surpass light speed of light, which is 3 into 10⁸ meter
I
per
know,
second.
yeah.
How would you
जल
surpass
जाएगा.
that?
I would surpass it by putting some really strong wires which will have some strong connection, whatever.
अरे यार.
I'll learn that.
Whatever, वो बाद में हो जाएगा, बाद में.
अच्छा, I have a game. So we are going to. Do you like memes?
Yes,
I
yes,
love-
yes.
You love memes, right? So we have some school-related memes planned for you
Juice
guys.
पिला दो.
मौसमी का जूस चाहिए क्या?
Juice पिला दो.
Is this what this podcast has come to? Wow. Is this what this podcast has come to? I don't believe. So this one is not that trendy. Okay, I've just chosen a few of those. Let's just see. Let's just check them out. Screen full कर दो.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर. आई होप सब कुछ कंट्रोल में है रॉय.
सर हम इस वक्त भारत के सबसे सुरक्षित जगह पर खड़े हैं.
Backbencher. What do you think about this? Is this the truth?
Yeah.
Yes, 102%.
Who's a backbencher here? Don't play. Don't play.
हमारे बैक बेंचर सबसे आगे के बेंचर से भी पढ़ाकू होते हैं
क्या बात कर रहा
और
है?
मस्तीखोर भी ज्यादा होते हैं.
That means they're जुगाड़ू.
Oh,
They know how to do
जुगाड़.
जुगाड़ है.
Simple, the perfect Indian.
There's no topper in our class, you know.
There's no topper.
Yeah, there is 2 toppers, but they're also very shararti. Very.
Oh,
Here is one topper of our class.
Wow.
you are
I'm not a topper.
I am.
Not a topper at all.
the
5
perfect
बार
kid.
प्रिंसिपल
Perfect
के पास
kids.
जाके आई है इसलिए टॉपर नहीं है.
क्या?
You only told me.
What? क्या?
नहीं. Expand on that. क्या?
She has gone to principal 5 times.
Oh.
Yeah, because I had a fight.
Okay. What was the
Actually,
fight
it is.
about?
Actually,
was
there
not
are
her
some
mistake.
girls who is jealous of me.
हाँ.
Yeah, I told you na.
Oh,
that
the best friend who
no,
turned into
that's,
enemy.
That's another girl. Now she's not in the school.
Okay, I thought she's not alive.
She got suspended.
ऊपर दिखना पड़ेगा.
I'm in 6th B na.
हाँ.
She was in 6th A, or is it about 5th standard? I don't know.
हाँ.
So she was in 6th A and I was in 6th B.
हाँ.
So there's like a corridor thing. We go to the washroom, we come, and in the middle of the lecture, no, it was a break.
Okay.
No one was there, out. It was just me, my friend, that best friend, and that girl from A
हाँ.
division. So she came to me and she just started telling bad things about me, that you never grow up, you never get money, that this, that. Then I just ignored everything. Then she just pushed me. I said, why are you pushing me?
She pushed you.
Yeah, she pushed me. And then it was time for long break.
Okay.
I was just talking to my friend in the corridor. So she, if you push here now with your leg, you will fall down.
Right. I know.
If you push it here.
मैं वो खुद करता हूँ.
Why? That is a fake. That is there is one thing where you go to judo or something. There is
Yeah.
you get your leg paralyzed
Wow.
for some time.
फिर तो और जोर से करना पड़ेगा. Okay.
So she pushed me and I fell down, and she was like, "Ha, loser."
Yeah.
And I just
That is
punched her
nasty.
on her face so badly. She had like purple thing.
Wow, you punched her.
Of course, मैं चुप बैठने वालों में से नहीं हूँ.
On the eye.
भाई इन
Same
लोग के
with
लिए
my
आई पैच दे दो अभी दोनों के लिए.
Same here.
And she, then I pushed her and did that to her, that girl. Then she was all messy. Her hair was not even good. She इधर लगाया, इधर लगाया. ऐसा, and I was perfectly fine. I was fine. मेरे सिर्फ इधर थोड़ा सा पता नहीं क्या हो गया था. Fine. Then one teacher took me and her to the principal's office. And the principal was like, "Why did you hit her?" And she started scolding me so badly. She was just gonna suspend me.
Then
I told Miss, do you have CCTV footages? She said, yes, I do. Then I told her the exact time, the exact date, the exact day. She was so shocked that why are you troubling her? What did she do to you? And not only one time, she did that many times. I just ignored her. I did not even do that. And she also hit me here somewhere, बहुत बार गया. But it was not even hurting me. She thought she is very cool.
अभी भी patches हैं.
No, that's actually white patches because of sunlight.
That's not
let's
because
not
of
go there.
sunlight.
Let's not go there. हाँ तो ये थी कहानी.
Huh, that's why she got suspended.
Damn,
from
bro.
school.
You know what? Actually, when I was playing football, one boy, he accidentally kicked the ball and it went direct at my stomach.
Oh, it hurts a
I'm
lot.
sure you might have not done anything.
फिर क्लास में जाके उसके ऊपर ही उल्टी.
इतनी देर तक
बहुत कर रहा
रोका
था वाले.
ये कौन सा पनिशमेंट है भाई? Oh yeah, dare for जिया.
हाँ.
नहीं ठीक है, it's okay. Okay, next one.
Let's
Oh, I got to go. Oh, I gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go.
I've seen this many times.
Do you kids use such slangs like short forms for anything?
Now we have to
When I
use
text now,
ID.
only at that time. When I text now,
What do
only
you
at
use?
that time. BTW.
Acha, by the way.
and everything.
I use like OMG. Only that much.
वो मूवी में देखा है इसके लिए.
Nah, I've seen that like in
What's that?
my
now?
like some reels.
Buckman means you can't. There are people in the forest. Na, some rich people in our story. There is one guy who tells a forest dweller a buckman. So buckman means you can't read or you don't have any knowledge.
Oh, damn.
Call me a Buckman.
You called her a buckman?
She's not a class topper. She only told me.
अरे इसका
हाँ,
मतलब ये
so-
थोड़ी है कि वो
And I also use the short for POV.
ऐसा लग रहा है कोई बिहारी आ गया है. बकमन बक बुड़बक. Okay, next.
You have seen that meme? Tota bole the.
Okay.
When teacher use my name as a good example. Me. Teacher enters the class with her baby. Girls be like, oh, how cute. Teachers in a flying class. Keep quiet. Teachers in online class. Please say something, guys. Solving a maths problem. My answer is 83. But the answer choices are 22, 94, 145, 195. Well, 94 is closest to 83.
We do that.
My
We do that.
answer. Me. Teacher. Unmute your mic. Meanwhile, my family. When my teacher looks at me while giving lectures, how I am from outside. I am focused. I am understanding everything. How I am from inside. Please take your eyes off me.
Yeah,
And for
literally,
God's
that's
sake,
me.
Do not ask me a question.
Laksh be like, please ask me a question.
Same.
Huh? You're also like that, na?
Teacher बोलती है, not you.
What kind of people do you hate in a class, in your classroom?
Chapli.
Chaplain.
When they
What's the video
speak,
of that?
when they speak too much, na, my miss tells us to raise the
You
hand
only
and-
speak too much, huh?
Oh please, oh please.
When they speak too much.
And they just shout the answer. And I'm like, please just sit down now, shut up now. Miss told you not to raise the hand, not to speak.
Are you the monitor of the class?
I was the monitor, but because I had shoots and I took a lot of leave for a day, a week or something. That's why she was like,
दिया, simple.
तुम्हें कौन से लोग पसंद नहीं है?
even the class monitor is
I told
not,
her, Chapli.
not good.
अच्छा.
Anything we say, ma'am, he did.
Yeah, that's
All in our class, girls are that only. I can say in our whole school, girls are that only.
no.
In sports, they are dumb.
वहाँ पे feminist जाग जाएगी.
Maths,
हाँ.
khatam. They are done. In science, if we are simple machines, that lever 1, 2, 3, they are in that. They are dumb. All in their dumb. Still, they are favorite of teachers. Mommy did this. So, ma'am also tells why you did this. If you have not
girls
done
like girls
too.
are. Girls like girls sometimes.
She's
sometimes,
a girl's girl.
Sometimes
He's a boy.
She's a.
Yeah,
Okay.
she behaves like a boy. But
Why?
she's
How? How?
I don't like to walk like.
That's nice. No, it's actually fun to like. You are actually okay with who you are.
Kamariya.
I hate people who are kind of like bullies. So I used to have like 3 bullies in the bus, and their name was
I'm the only bully here.
Meet, Neil, and Gia. They were so irritating.
Gia?
Ha ha.
No, you're not in my bus.
जिया का
No,
भाई.
there was one girl named Gia Makwana. So she was so irritating.
Makhan
and,
wala.
Like I was like, you just keep quiet. And then they were so bossy. I used to get so irritated. Yeah.
Yeah, people who born are on 8th
Bossy baby.
date are very bossy like me.
Baby boss.
People who are born on 8th date are very bossy.
Oh wow. 8th मतलब 8, 16, 24.
Huh,
No,
like
no.
that. Huh.
No,
like a
it is not
multiple
like
of.
that.
I'm 24, ma'am. Am I bossy?
No, no, no.
I've
Of
seen
course
those-
I am.
Tell me what is your date of birth?
24th October.
24th.
Eight?
Okay, that means your number is 6 and my father's also number is 6.
What does that
Eighth,
mean?
Not 16.
It is like it is one of the planet gods. Like mine is 22nd December, so 2 plus 2 equals to 4, and 4 is Rahu, who is
I am
Uranus.
Rahu. I
You're
am
Rahu.
4 number.
Oh.
What is your date of
13th.
birth?
13th. में.
हाँ, we both are 4.
8.
8. My mother is also 8.
तो-
Shani the god.
ओह शनि तो है भाई. शनि वाले क्वालिटीज दिख रहे हैं मेरे को जिया में.
We
Okay.
both are same.
Next. We have some similarities, it seems.
Because we have dimag.
Okay. Oh भाई ये गली बॉय की आलिया भट्ट कहाँ से आ गई? If आलिया भट्ट was in Nigeria. गली बॉय में बोलती है ना गुलू गुलू नहीं करने का.
My
Wow.
PT teacher when he teaches us English. Gulu gulu.
That is brutal. Jia is brutal भाई. Next. Jia is very brutal.
Excuse me, ma'am. I actually had a doubt in this 10th question.
Oh, this one. Okay, just wait 1 minute, huh? Class 10C. What is this horrible behavior? I am still standing here, yet you're talking, screaming, laughing as if you're some jungly animal. No discipline, no respect. Go and look at 10th A and 10th B. Now shut your mouth and sit quietly until other teacher arrives. Otherwise, study next chapter on your own. I will not teach.
What were you saying?
ये भाई so relatable, no?
Yes.
हाँ?
Literally me.
Literally जिया है ना?
Also, in class C, they will tell C class A and B. In class A, you will see that teachers will C class B and C. Principal ma'am tells that class C and B are very good. In B, they tell A and C are very good.
Yeah, to just make us down.
Next. भाई साहब.
When maths teacher said, 10 बार पूछो मैं तुम्हें 10 बार बताऊंगा.
अपनी आंखें खोल और गौर से देख तू कहां और किसके सामने खड़ा है. यहाँ बात सिर्फ एक बार समझाई जाती है बस.
Literally my teacher.
No, our teacher is good in math.
Maths
Nice.
teacher be like
Thank you bucks देने के लिए.
No,
Next.
maths teachers like that only.
point of view.
और अपना चेक जाके ले लेना.
Do you guys do that? Like when the exams are over, books को क्या करते तुम?
कुछ नहीं. Side पे रख ली.
I just
When I
leave
take out my
them
books,
and
not
start
all-
reading my own books.
फिर
and do whatever I
वेकेशन के बाद बैग कहाँ पे, बुक्स कहाँ पे?
हाँ, मैंने बुक्स इधर रखी थी कि उधर रखी थी?
वो इसी को गजनी बोलते हैं. भूला. Oh yeah. Now you know what gajni is. भूल जाना. Short term memory loss.
वो तो दोनों है.
हाँ?
लॉन्ग टर्म शॉर्ट टर्म दोनों है.
दोनों है. Very good. Next. ये कुछ है तुम्हारे ऐसे स्टोरीज मॉनिटर ने तुम्हें धोखा दे दिया?
Monitor मतलब
दिया
my
है.
best friend only. She is the class monitor.
क्या किया?
मेरा फ्रेंड है मॉनिटर, मेरा ही आईडी कार्ड लेता है. मेरा ही फ्रेंड मेरा ही आईडी कार्ड.
ये कौन सा मॉनिटर है भाई?
मेरी best friend who I told you na about her. She is not a good friend.
Is there any good friend in your school?
Yes, only boys.
Okay, let's go. हाँ.
अभी
तो क्या
कुछ
हुआ
और
था?
टॉपिक चालू होने वाला है.
Let's avoid
She
that.
literally hates me. Hate means the most annoying person. For her, I'm the most annoying person. When I don't even talk, na, she writes my name. And her friends.
What was क्या लिखा था?
Looking at my notebook.
When my teacher asked me to give my notebook, thinking I am cheating. Oh, ये तो लक्ष्य है भाई. ये तो
ये मैं नहीं हूँ.
ये तो जिया नहीं है भाई. जिया बैग के अंदर रखेगी भाई. क्या कौन से बुक्स?
एक मिनट, मैं नोटबुक ही नहीं लाई. मैं नोटबुक ही नहीं लाई.
But have you guys ever cheated in any exams?
Who has not?
Never. I have never cheated. But one friend of
पॉडकास्ट
mine
के लिए मम्मी ने बताया.
My
नहीं
mom,
बोलना.
नहीं, I would trust him भाई. He would never cheat. He's that
my
boy.
whole family cheated.
So you know
My
what?
dad was like the literal backbencher. Literal backbencher.
Bye.
So like
नाम आगे लेके जा रही है.
yeah, there was one
Sorry,
boy
पीछे.
in my class, and he copied our whole Hindi letter.
Entire.
He had taken his Hindi notebook. He had kept it like this, and he was looking and writing like this.
हमने एग्जाम्स में कभी चीट नहीं की है, लेकिन वर्कशीट्स में कोई पढ़ के ही नहीं आता.
वर्कशीट क्या होता है? असाइनमेंट?
हम लोग को नहीं होता वर्कशीट और सब.
ये क्या है भाई?
In our class, my friend, it was computer worksheet. We told ये कौन सा, ये क्या है, शॉर्टकट इसका क्या है. फिर we dropped our pencil and we took our bag, put the computer book down and
Wow.
Now in 6th standard, now they think that we cheat a lot. Actually, we do. So they think that we cheat a lot now. So they changed the placement
yes.
with another standards.
yes,
Like
10th,
6th
9th,
is
yes.
6th is sitting with 9th.
See with our
wow.
7th
term
is sitting
exam.
with 10th.
But 9th वालों को तो 6 का आता रहेगा ना?
हाँ, they sometimes
they know
help.
if they're science student and हम लोग को biology ऐसा कुछ है. Of course they know.
Wow.
वो हमें पूछना भी नहीं पड़ता, वो खुद ही हेल्प करते हैं.
और नहीं क्या है? I'm sitting on the first bench. First
From
bench
behind,
में
we give them answers from behind.
Oh wow. Your name starts with J, L, R. अच्छा. तो तुम्हारा
JLR.
रोल नंबर क्या है?
11.
34.
24.
मेरा भी 24 था. मेरा भी
444.
24 था, मेरा बर्थडे था. तो मतलब तुम्हें आगे बैठना नहीं पड़ता.
नहीं, मुझे फॉर एग्जाम हैव टू सिट अहेड. बाद में मेरे पीछे द बॉय हुआ सपोर्ट और वो बहुत
Wow.
अच्छा है.
वाओ. सेटिंग चलाइए.
बाद में उसके पीछे द गर्ल
हाँ.
मॉनिटर, उसके पीछे उसका भाई जैसा बेस्ट फ्रेंड.
अच्छा.
तो हम चारों जो कॉपी करते हैं ना, मैं उसको
अरे ये तो बहुत अच्छा है.
लाइक 3
Setting.
टॉपर्स टुगेदर, उसके आगे सबसे अनटॉपर गर्ल.
जी हाँ.
और मुझे ही फर्स्ट बेंच पे बिठा दिया.
एंजॉय करो भाई.
सेम. अरे मैं टॉपर हूँ लेकिन
दैट्स सो गुड ना.
मंजिल को भुलाकर जिया तो क्या जिया,
जिया.
जिया तो क्या जिया, अगर तुझ में दम है तो उसे पाकर दिखा, लिख दे खून से अपनी कामयाबी की कहानी और बोल उस किस्मत से कि दम है तो मिटा कर दिखा.
अरे बेटा कोई बात नहीं, शांत हो जा, सब सही हो जाएगा. कोई बात नहीं, शांत. चल चल, रो मत.
फिर घर जाके बहुत बोल रहा था ना.
Do you guys like motivational speaking?
Yes.
Yes.
अच्छा.
मेरे पापा मुझे 5-6 वीडियोस हर रोज दिखाते
I know Josh talks on my mother and I like watch it.
Tell me one motivational quote that you love.
For being very high, rich, extremely knowledgeable, you have to leave something you like. That was the motivational video of Shah Rukh Khan.
Oh. And do something you love.
Yes.
You only get one life. तो try everything
एक
you want to.
जिंदगी
Never say that
काफी नहीं है.
रुकना, बोल
जिंदगी ना
देना.
मिलेगी दोबारा.
हाँ.
It's like that. You only get one life. It's not like respawning.
हाँ.
So do everything you want to do, yaar. If you wanna climb here, do it.
फ्रीडम मेरे पापा से मिलते हैं मुझे.
I say my own.
हाँ, your own ना, उसने भी खुद का ही बोला है.
Acha, I thought you had to say other
No.
people.
नहीं कुछ भी.
Any motivational thing.
क्लीन मुंह में ग्रीन.
ये भाई ये स्कूल क्लासरूम में ये बच्चा बहुत तंग करता है, मेरे को पता है. हाँ.
You can have one orange a day, but can you have 10 oranges a day? Do you know what is the meaning of that?
No.
So see, I'm taking orange as an example for that you have one life, right? But you can't have 10 lives at one single time. You have to first go through the first life, first enjoy your first life, and don't think of doing
Others.
no, not of that, of killing yourself. That
motivation है भाई.
दूसरी लाइफ चालू कर दी.
हाँ, like that. You should not do like that. First, you should not hurry for the next life, because then it will take 3 to 4 centuries for a person to be born first.
Wow.
वाह.
Science भी use
Motivational
किया.
also very spiritual.
मैं तो पढ़ के यही होता है.
Next.
See, I have 2 more motivational.
अच्छा, tell me.
One is of Sachin Tendulkar.
Okay.
I met him. He told me that you should practice every day if you want to be good at something.
Wow.
So he used to practice 1 minute, or he used to practice 10 hours. If he thinks that I have learned this new thing today, then he will leave it for today, and then after that day, next day he will try something new.
Beautiful.
And even I have one more, that you should keep reading books. See, this is an example for mainly children and adults, but mainly for children, because these days people are so much addicted to mobiles and all of that.
ये तो सच बोल दिया.
So, this is a very simple quote. Read books, 1 book a day keeps your spectacles away. Just like 1 apple a day.
नहीं, don't do it.
मत करो. Nice man. Okay, let's go. Next.
I've seen this in shorts.
बहुत अच्छे वीडियोस आते हैं इसके.
Oh, attitude. I think our generation can relate with this because
I've
it was
literally seen these shorts. I know this guy. I forgot his channel's name, but I've seen
क्या
him
नाम है
in
था
shorts.
channel
बच्चा
का?
मत बोलना है, ऐसे
बच्चा
कुछ
मत
है ना,
बोलना,
बच्चा
yeah.
मत बोलना है, ऐसे
Yeah. I've
बच्चा मत
seen
बोलना is
many
doing
of
an
his
amazing
shorts.
job. Is amazing job. वो तो childhood के बारे में बनाता ना
Yeah.
schools and
Even
that.
if I'm sad,
See,
I watch
there's
this
one
video
math
and it makes me
question.
smile.
It is very easy. 2 plus 8 plus 9. What is that?
That's so easy.
19.
Wrong.
18.
Wrong.
2 plus 8 is 10.
Huh.
Plus 9.
19.
Wrong.
So 10 is the answer.
Yes.
Ah.
See, if you take the first letter of 2, T, the first
Oh.
letter of 8, E, and the first letter of 9, N, 10.
Wait, let me ask you a question.
We are blacklisting Runav from next podcast. What is this behavior, man?
Wait, what is not heavy in blue?
Which,
What is blue which is not heavy?
Water.
Water is not blue.
Light blue.
Oh. And now I have one question.
इसमें धार है लगा याला.
So I am asking one question to you all, that just imagine you are in a black room and that you have to escape from that black room. That room has no doors or windows. What would you do?
I have seen this. I have heard this.
Black room. Firstly, I'm not a racist. So
I would turn on the lights first.
That there is no light button also. You have to get out of that room. Give
I
a
would
pass.
stop
Just
imagining.
walk.
I would stop imagining.
Correct.
I've heard this.
And I have one more question. That it's not a question, but I have one trick. Take any number in your mind. Take any number in your mind. Okay, 1-digit number taken. Now multiplied by 2.
ये पता है, ये तो
You know this trick?
हाँ, half करते हैं आगे जाके.
हाँ.
What do you call a person with no body and no nose?
Human.
No. Nobody
Jia.
knows.
Oh.
No body knows.
Okay, we are also blacklisting Jia from next time.
टाटा. अभी तो पहले से ही बाहर निकलने वाली थी, लेकिन सिर भैया ने बचा
चलो
लिया.
ठीक है, तो बहुत दूर से आई है. This is the end of the podcast. Did you-
स्केलेटर बाकी ही है.
वो बाद में करेंगे, वो नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में करेंगे, बिकॉज वो अनबॉक्सिंग चाइल्डहुड का सेक्शन हमें अलग से रखना पड़ेगा. सो यू ब्रिंग इट नेक्स्ट टाइम ऑल्सो. ओके, एंड डिड यू गाइस हैव फन?
Lot of fun.
है ना, मजा आया ना? मुझे भी काफी मजा आया यार. बहुत दिनों बाद ऐसा मतलब दिमाग लगाने का टाइम नहीं हुआ.
इसमें दिमाग क्या
आई
था?
फेल्ट दिमागलेस.
दिमाग लेस ही है.
And did you like all the
Yeah,
memes?
the memes were very good.
Yeah,
Actually,
the memes were so funny.
They were
Next time you also
relatable to
send
me.
me memes so that we can review
Yeah,
new ones.
especially the Google one. Google.
गुल्लू गुल्लू. तो थैंक यू सो मच मेरे साथ गुल्लू गुल्लू करने के लिए. और नेक्स्ट गुल्लू गुल्लू होंगी नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में. Panchayat will be back again soon. If you guys have any suggestions, if you have any complaints, don't tell me because I'm not going to listen to any of those. I'm just kidding. Please keep kidding with Sid because I'm just kidding. Comments डालो, प्यार दिखाओ. जिया, रुनव, लक्ष्य, इनके बारे में जो भी फीडबैक है डालो, और उनके फ्रेंड्स जो उन्हें बहुत त्रास देते हैं बच के रहना. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस.
Okay.
Say bye.
Thank you.
सब्सक्राइब बोलने बोला है. सब्सक्राइब.
Subscribe करो.
Like, subscribe, do comment,
हमारी
do
चैनल को
everything.
सब्सक्राइब.
Sid की channel.
सिड की चैनल.
Just kidding.
Seriously.
Sid
Just
is
kidding.
Sid is kidding with Sid.
Let's do it.
Subscribe.
Bye.
सब्सक्राइब.